right, today we are unboxing a hair straightener brush. Special thanks to the company who was nice enough to send this to me so I could unbox it for you. This is the front. The back just has a little bit of their company information as well as the power supply information and the model. This is the S1119. Nothing on the top, nothing on this side, and this side just says anti-scalding design, 15 heating levels, hair straightening function, fast heating, high density brush teeth, and unique anti-scalding design, 2 emitters to smoothen and tone your hair, quick hair salon, 180 to 450 degrees, hair straightening, and timer switch off in 60 minutes. So I guess it automatically cuts off after an hour. Let's open this up and see exactly what comes in here. Very nice box. Like the little reflective look there. Look at this carrying case. So we have a glove. Love the pink glove for straightening your hair. Nice little addition. And really outside of that, it's an instruction manual and the brush. This is a little user's guide. Definitely will have all the information you'll need about turning it on and heating it and how all of that will actually work. And then in here, that's it for the box, is the brush. First off, let me take it out of this very nice pouch that it's in for carrying. I mean, this thing feels like velour, has some nice tie at the top, very nice carrying case. And this is your hair straightener brush. So the bottom completely rotates. You never have to worry about your cable getting tangled up or anything. And then you have your LED screen here with your power button. So you'd hold your power button, click this till you get to the temp you want, anywhere between 180 degrees and 450 degrees. And of course, if you need to go down, you'd use that button. And when it's ready, it'll beep and let you know. This cable is about a 6-foot cable, and then you can see all of the little heating things down in there. So you'd literally, once you had this on, just brush your hair straight through. And as you're brushing your hair, you'll also be straightening your hair, which is why it's a hair straightener brush. But the quality feels great. I love the company logo on the back. Very nice feeling hair straightener brush. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this hair straightener brush to unbox and demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in our next unboxing video. Deuces.